All right. Well, we got this one next. This one's a little bit rough shape. Last tagged in 24. That's a good sign, eh? Yeah, I picked this one up about a year ago. So, first things first. Oh yeah. Yeah. Got some broken brackets there. You might be able to fix that though. The fuel tank is it's a fuel tank. Look at that. Yeah. It's a gas tank, all right. Let me lean this up like that. I want to see if, oh, look at that, eh? Yeah. Yeah, that's broken right there. Oh boy. Oh boy. See if it turns over. Well, somewhat. She froze! She froze to death! Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Well, she still has the spring, that's good. Let's get a good look at her. Oh, why do I do this stuff to myself? Alright. Oh, she got a little fuel pump on there. Let's see if it goes. Oh, it's not locked. Huh. Let me go get a little two-stroke gas and see if she'll pop off for us there. And then we'll bring her inside. Alright, got a little bit of that. A little something, something. Let's see if we can't get it to pop off. Just a little bit, eh? There's no key, so we got to make sure that the key is unhooked. Yeah, it is. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it does have spark. A little crunchy. All right, let's see. All right. Let's see if we can't do that again, eh? Boy, that. Thought I heard a spark, didn't you? Oh. We lucked out. Our yeah, look at that. Okay. Well, we're into it now. Yeah. I gotta go get some more of that. Alright, so put a little bit of something down into the cylinder here. Put our spark plug back in. See if we get a little life out of this thing before we start tearing into it. Alright. Let's see if we got a little life here. Come on. Well, let's check for spark. Alright, well, we're looking right about here in this area here. Let's see if she's got spark, eh? Any spark? Let's see if whoa. Yeah, fell down. Oh, she got a spark. She got a spark on that side. Let's run that back. Alright, so I emptied out water and old gas out of that tank. Put some fresh fuel in there. Let's see if we can't get some of that to coach up to the carburetor here. This carburetor doesn't seem all that dirty. I mean, from the looks of the way that this is nice and free in that, and being registered in 24. So we're just going to go ahead and put a little bit of this down in there. See if we can't get it to pop off here. Little old school trick somebody taught me years ago. I just want to hear it live a little bit so we can proceed. Oh, there we go. Just a tiny bit. Alright. We know we got spark. Do we got enough compression to run this thing? Alright, here we go. Oh, Goodness gracious. Woo! Let me work on that for a minute. All right. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on now. Oh, woo, that was exciting. Let's try that again, huh? Exciting. All right, let's go after that carburetor. Okay. Well, that was easy to take off. Nice little Makuni on there. Let's see if there's was the thing getting any fuel? Yeah, look at there. It's getting a little bit of fuel, wasn't it? So there should be some fuel in that carburetor. Oh, look, somebody has already been in here before. That's a really good idea to swap those out so you don't have to use a JIS screwdriver. Okay, let me get something there. Alright. Oh, thought I got lucky to guess what that was. Uh-oh. That might be standard. Is that standard? Or I got them in the wrong spot. I might have them in the wrong spot. Yeah, there you go. I was about to say. Thought it might be metric. Let's take this right on off of there. Yeah. Kind of exciting now that it was popping off and that. Boy, it's cold one out today. Good thing I got my hat. You know who wears that hat also like that is the Gator. Canada buddy of mine. YouTuber. I'll put his link in the description. He's got a really good show. Funny guy too. Yeah, funny fella. Alright. You know I love my Canadian buddies. Alright. Alright, here. Bear with me. My hands are kind of cold. Yeah, this is the last Skidoo that we have so far. We might pick up some more. You never know what I'm going to pick up, but I got a couple of other things that I want to pick up. I was looking at another pile to go hunt in. Alright, well, that's right there. That's right, okay. Doesn't look too bad, actually. We'll see if we have a little bit of a macaroni going on in there. Get that off of there. Something might have sucked up in there. You never know. I like Makuni carburetors though. I really don't like those original ones for like that one that I just got done working on, that Telesum carburetors. I think that's how you say it. Well, that's clear right there. Huh. Yeah, being registered in 24, not too bad. Let's see if we can get this. You see this thing right here? I put it right through that finger yesterday. Doggone pretty bad. Now I can barely bend that thing. Gotta be careful. You only got one finger. Yep. This is always hairy to do. Also, there we go. Look, as soon as I start calling it hairy, it pops right out of there. All right. No such luck. 10 millimeter here. There we go. Gotta check it all. Oh, that's clear. Well, what's going on? I'm gonna go ahead and drop it into ultrasonic anyway. Just for kicks. Yeah, just for kicks. She looks a little dirty on the outside. Yeah, is this? Yeah, this still moves. Let's count those real quick. All right, let's count the. See that little line right there? That's how we're gonna know. So we're gonna go half, 1, half, 2, half, 3, half, 4, half, 5, 5 1/4 look like. Okay, all right, take that all the way out. Make sure that our O-ring, it feels a little tight, so that's good. Like it's got like a little bit of a squish to it, so you know that there might be a good O-ring back there. Okay, let's see if it's got the little, see, it has to have a little washer there. So we got our little tool here. And dig that out of there. Is it in there? Oh. Okay. Alright. I have to look up and see this one needs one or not, because a little weird, right? Oh yeah, we're gonna leave that out. Okay, let's get in the machine. That's about it. These are very clear. You can see right through those. No need to put those in there. Okay. Let's get to cooking. Well, I take that back now. There's supposed to be a choke right here. So this is not a original to the machine. I thought that a little weird, but I think I might be able to source something to make that work. Yeah, I see now. They stuck a bunch of paper down in there. to try to get it to regulate. Look at that. Okay. Well, went ahead and put the float arm on there, needle, seat in there. Match up this area here. Actually, hold on. This is all clean and clear. Put that on top of there. Okay. Put that on there. Put in the comments if you ever seen somebody use this kind of carburetor on that machine. Please. I may just be able to get a brass plug for that, be honest with you. Because like I said, it doesn't need to be regulated that much for this machine. Yeah, that might work right there. Alright, well, let's see if she'll fire off. Now I got the clean carburetor on there and that. Might take a couple pulls. Gotta get some of that fuel up to that carburetor. Let's coach it a little bit. There we go. That steering problem. Well, you know what makes a good welder? Those two products right there. A flap disc and some spray paint. No, like it never even happened. Alright, let's get it on the machine. Okay. We got that all on there. Sort of straight. Okay. Let's get it out of this hole. Alright. Well, that'll do it. Really appreciate everybody following along on this project. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. She's ugly, but she runs.